Hey guys, welcome to episode 16 and today we're going around IKEA.
Free Wi-Fi. How much is that?
11 bucks?
Yeah. No way. Do you want some? No.
So we come to IKEA and this guy goes straight to the cafe. No comment? Even the car park for IKEA is so big. Look at it. So as we walk into IKEA, there's a place that you can take your kids while you shop. You basically drop them off. It's like a massive playground. It's crazy. Oh, hey guys. I wonder what kind of drawer I want.
Dishwash man.
It's a video. This place is huge. It's like Briscoe's on steroids. They're selling carpet here now as well. Cam?
What up?
We've legitimately been walking for like an hour and a half and we're not even finished. Yeah, thanks for ruining my vlog. So this is where you collect the stuff that you want. This place is huge. IKEA was so big, we got so tired that I completely forgot to film an outro there. However, if you guys ever get the chance to check out IKEA, I definitely recommend it. But thanks for watching and like and subscribe.